lot of people, when they're buying their house, especially first house, obtain gift money for the down payment or for some of the closing costs. Gifts are allowed on all types of loans, and the different loans have different requirements. For example, if you're putting down 20% on a conventional loan, a Fannie Mae or Freddie Mac loan, all of that money can be a gift. While if you're putting down 10% or more, between 10 and 20% that is, you can have 6% of the money be a gift, 6% of the purchase price. So if your purchase price is $300,000 and you're putting down 10%, 10 to 20%, you can have $18,000 be gifts. On a Fannie and Freddie loan, if you're putting down less than 10%, only 3% of the purchase price can be a gift. So again, using the same $300,000 example, $9,000 could be a gift if you're putting down less than 10%. And on a Fannie and Freddie loan, you need at least 5% of the funds to be your own, again, unless you're putting down 20% or more, in which case it can all be a gift. On an FHA loan, though, 6% of the purchase price can be a gift. So again, on the same $300,000 loan, no matter what you're putting down, $18,000 of the purchase price can be a gift. Now, there are rules for the gifts. First of all, the gift giver needs to be a family member. Generally, it is a mother, father, aunt, uncle, brother, sister. It doesn't have to be. It can be a cousin. It can be a distant relative, but it does have to be a family member. In addition, the money that's given as a gift needs to be documented. So what that means is the person who is making the gift has to provide a copy of their bank statement, as well as proof that the gift was transferred from the bank statement into your bank account. Now, the reason that is all money in a transaction has to be sourced. Oftentimes, people who are making a gift don't want to show you their bank statement. Well, they don't have to show it to the borrower, but they do have to provide it to the lender. So if anyone's making a gift, they should be prepared to provide their bank statement and proof of the transfer of the funds. Other than that, gifts are made all the time. They're allowed, and it's very useful to some people who need the money for down payment. If anyone has an interesting story about how they got a gift or something they went through with their lender, I'd love to hear about it. And you can reach me at the address set forth below, which is dschluffman@classicllc.com, or you can call me at 917-575-6977. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.